Then I know say General B camera go voice 3 songs. And the 3 of them hit. So General B, now as my little friend get freed, I made the man carry me up at Jeremy Hardy. Jeremy and they have a thing there. The chant part, oh man, I wanna be General B voice, yeah. And me a voice a tune pan it. I mean name Powerman it. Me a voice a tune. Girl a throat me body fi crab and it came up. Girl you say girl a eat me off like whale and shark. Girl a mark up me body with them teeth like chalk. And make me happy baby mother stop talk. Throat me body fi. General B drop again and I say, why? What kind of idiot song that? Remember you care guys through them. Well, if it's a song an idiot song, you know Powerman sing idiot song, but General B couldn't allow it like him I say, 3 times I try to voice on a 3 number 1 you trap. No, so I have to stop that one here. So I say, General, oh you talk about me tune, an idiot song, what you did? Then time the Jeremy had one little new producer where I tremble in the car. And when they say Jeremy had them, I say, Power them time them I youth me frightened for no count a star. So when General B tell me not even know what to say. I say if you tell the man say your song bad and you put it up. Don't put out my song in and then me and Merciless on the same rhythm. The girl them say them want me, creep and crop a claw me. Come like a my song. So I will heap a thing in our business, but you don't know me still rate General B. But I realize how I go on. General B was a youth who loved me. He used to fight for parade me. They used to fight for driving that BMW with me. Frisco kid, General B, the whole of them, Ninja kid. But then, I guess I know, me did like Frisco kid, because true Frisco kid was a mechanic, but General B was the realest one to me. Because me changed Frisco kid name from Para Kid to Frisco Kid and Bossy Man. Frisco Kid never take up a phone and call me yet. And General B is a man where carry me go voice over and over and carry me all of England. General B carry me go a Sting and take a film and ban and give me. See? So that's all. Oh, and the first time me and General B I meet, we go a see you because I remember telling me to push on cat go down and see you. So General B I go like him a bad man. I say, yo, where you come from? I say, oh, you man, move man. Man a bad man, you know. He must say, man a bad man. And then he must say, come just little bite up him lip. But you don't tell him I come from Moscow and Sandakan, them and the whole of them and they are my friend. I'm not afraid of nobody. I say, move man. So he must say, you lucky say I'm a DJ. I say, you lucky say I'm an artist. So I say, wait, you're an artist. So we told my friend, say, we're artists. So I say, what's your name? Mr. B. I say, Powerman. I say, yeah. I say, you can DJ? I say, yeah. Same time, carry me in the era. Go show me a little sound I play. String up on the sound and kill off the whole of them down there. General B, Jesus Sweetness, Major Wani. So them say, you're bad. And I say, yeah. I say, come on Moscow, we have a sound up there. I play, both sat there. Then come up there again, mash up the place again, man.
Deal with that.
Yeah, man, so.
Talking about General B, I heard that you were an original member of the Monster Shock crew.
And me and Rowan had Monster Shock crew. But here it go now. It was a Monster crew, me tell him say it name. And he must say, no, Shock. Because we used to have a little shock like up a papi, you know, the way we go sit down. So I say, Monster Shock. I say, all right, but that crew wanted name. But because me never wanted name Stone Crew. Me have some friend a White House and name Stone Crew. The terrible. So I say, Monster Shock then. They say the first Screechy Joe was in the crew, Sabatut was in the crew, Walla was in the crew. Enough more man in the crew. But me a top striker, so my name did have mention. All them try to go around me, them a talk about it. So, because when time I found me, Ghost was a liquor youth, they are Ghost and Culture, and General be a liquor youth. So me and Ronald was really the man like that. But we do a show fresh. We do a show, not fresh. A show over Fort Clarence. A fresh it name, yeah. Over Fort Clarence. And while I was up on stage, I must shut the place. Some white man from Australia sit and fly down. Sharon brought them Calgary. And we go to New Kingston. The man say more 5 away out of the crew. And him have 25,000 years to give every man 5 grand. Ghost say him alone want 15,000. The white man come to me and I say, poor man, I need you in the crew. But Ghost is the only thing and him say more 15 grand. Me just say, yo, yeah, all right. back out and left Screechy Joe them and Saba and them say, yo, them back out. And the man them gladly go and left the whole away. We just left and start by being number one.
That
We never look back.
Because I did see somewhere where it was actually, as you said, you're right. It was a bunch of you guys.
Company come for sign me have magazine. Company come for sign me and I was in the tree. And even I got talk who them did skip out, but them did have me in the tree. But different thing that we gone past that. But as I say, I talk the truth.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.